North Korean leader Kim Jong-un says he will remove nuclear arms from the Korean peninsula and end his country's long-range missile tests by early 2021. In South Sudan, a military court sentences 10 soldiers to terms of 7 years to life in prison. They were found guilty in the rape of foreign aid workers and the murder of a journalist. A strong earthquake on the Japanese island of Hokkaido leaves 7 people dead and many others injured. And India's top court overturns a law that made homosexuality a crime punishable by a 10-year prison sentence.